Hello children, welcome to today's art class. In today's class, our topic is prehistoric arts. Our topic is prehistoric arts. The first art piece ever produced, the first ever painting artwork. What is prehistory? What is prehistory? Period between the use of the first stone tools by hominids and invention of writing system. 3 million years to 3000 BC. In this age, human lives in cave. They were hunters and gardeners. They were hunters and gardeners. They burn tools to get their prey. This period is divided into 1. Stone Age, 2. Bronze Age, and 3. Iron Age. In this lesson, we are going to focus on the Stone Age, which is also divided into 3 periods. Number 1, Paleolithic period. Number 2, Mesolithic period. And number 3, Neolithic period. Number 1, Paleolithic period. Paleolithic period is the first period of all, and it refers to when the stone tools were made by humans. This is when humans started making arts. The prehistoric arts. The prehistoric arts are painting, sculpture, and structures made during the prehistoric era. It is the first ever produced art in our world. It is the first ever produced art in our world. In this lesson, we will focus on the prehistoric painting. Though there are some sculptures and structures made of this time. When we refer to the prehistoric painting, we are also referring to cave painting. This painting was made more than 30,000 years ago. How do they do it? How do they paint on the cave? The historic painters used what is available around them. These historic painters used what is available around them, from death, charcoal mixed with spit or animal roots. They also used brushes that were made from animal hair. There are a lot of historic caves around you that you can research and visit, having a lot of painting around them. The following are the historic painting caves in Nigeria. The following are the historic painting caves in Nigeria. Number 1, Ogbunike Cave in Anambra State. Number 2, Olumo Caves in Ogun State. Number 3, Owerri Ezukala Cave in Anambra. Number 3, Owerri Ezukala Cave in Anambra. Number 4, Awhum Caves in Enugun State. Number 5, Oghodoghodo or Oghodoghodo Cave in Edo State. Number 6, Esa Cave in Ekiti State. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.